In today's video, I'll explain what to do if you can't connect to the internet on your Mac running Windows on Parallels. Okay, so as you can see, I have a MacBook here, and it is running Windows on Parallels version 26.4. And now it doesn't really connect to the internet. I'll show you that. Currently, it shows that it's connected. You can see it right here on the bottom, that it shows it's connected. But when I go to when I want to find other devices on my network in the File Explorer, I'm unable to do that, even though I should be. And that is because I have a shared network enabled. So when I click here at the top, hold on a second. When I click here at the top on devices, the network, I have it set to share the network recommended. When I change it to the bridged network and Wi-Fi, or just default adapter, then the internet completely disappears, even though it should be working now. That should fix the issue, and it should be working now. In that case, I recommend using an Ethernet cable to see the issue. And in my case, it was the only thing that worked. I recommend updating the software on your computer, updating the system, but if you don't have any update available, a temporary fix would be having an adapter. You can see it plugs in with USB-C, and on the other end, it's Ethernet port. I'll plug it into my MacBook, and I'll show you that in that case, it starts working. When I plug in the Ethernet cable connected to my router, now I will be able to go to devices, go to network, and go to that adapter. Select that adapter to bridge the network like so. And then, as you'll see, yeah, it should be working now, to be honest. Yeah, let's select that one. And now it's disconnected. Okay, now it's connected. You can see it shows up here, and all my network devices are showing up. And that is a temporary issue until a new macOS version gets released. As I noticed, it works properly on on macOS 27, but it's not currently fully released officially, so you may need to use this method to be able to make it work in case you have any problems with your network. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.